Eat garlic and honey on empty stomach for 7 days. This will happen to your body. Please subscribe and watch this video until the end to know the complete information. This demand is not a new phenomenon. Garlic has been collaborated since ancient times. Ancient civilization who never contacted each other understood the incredible value in this plant. Ancient Egypt used them to increase strength and productivity, circulatory elements, and insect infestation. Oh, they were correct! The benefits of honey are too numerous to be named, but here are the important ones. Health benefits of honey include treating wounds, healing skin condition, and boosting energy. It is also rich in nutrients, contains antioxidants, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Take this regularly to strengthen your immunity and achieve your optimal health. Ingredients: from 2 to 3 raw garlic cloves chopped finely, 1 tablespoon of raw organic honey. Combine it and enjoy. It's simple as that. This is what will happen to your body when you eat garlic and honey on an empty stomach. 1. This will prevent atherosclerosis. 2. This will stop heart attacks. 3. This will get rid of coronary heart disease. 4. This will lower your cholesterol. 5. Reducing blood pressure levels. 6. Healing bug bites. 7. It elevates cold symptoms and high fever. 8. It helps in treatment of fungal infection. 9. Traveler's diarrhea. 10. Eliminate toxins from your body.